I'm back in Beeston Square today, or Beeston Interchange as they like to call it, where the buses and the trams gel together. Across the road from me is the new development that's taking place near the Arc Cinema. It's an 8-storey student facility housing 419 studio apartments. If you don't know what a studio apartment is, it's basically a flat with a kitchenette and a separate bathroom. I came down here a while back, 3 months ago in fact, when they'd not long after they just started construction, so I thought I'd come back down today 3 months later to see how they're progressing. And there's only one way to do that, of course. That's from my eye in the sky. So let's take the drone up and get a bird's eye view. Oh, they are noisy buggers, aren't they? Mind you, it is a construction site. Hope you enjoyed that view from my eye in the sky. Off to get the tram now, back into Nottingham, find a pub, find a pint, and hopefully a ham and tomato cob. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Really helps the channel to grow. Now then, what time is this tram? Oh, only 1 minute. 1 minute. Then we can get on board. Hopefully, not too busy. And I will speak to you very, very soon.